You have a couples weekend, correct, or no? And then
Yes,
like
and we just did a couples weekend in Michigan recently.
Okay.
And the feedback that we've received was phenomenal. In fact, they're like, when is the next one? We want to send people. So we recently added a date in October. So we'll have a marriage weekend in October. And we call those living and loving in a wholehearted relationship. Now, there's a lot of different material that weekend is based on, but one of the books that I read many years ago is called A Wholehearted Marriage. But we took that a step further because what we want couples to experience on these weekends is also the opportunity to deal with their own stuff. See, it's not so much that the marriage is broken. What I've discovered through all these years of doing relationship and marital counseling is we have two broken people trying to do marriage. We have two broken people trying to do a relationship, and it's not going to work until both of you do some individual work. So even on our marriage weekend, you have opportunity to do some individual work and couples work. So that's why it says living and loving in a wholehearted relationship. And to live wholeheartedly, that means I have to be transparent and I have to deal with my junk. You have to deal with your junk or you're not going to be able to live wholeheartedly. So the marriage weekends, love those. We do them in Florida. Yeah, so Florida and in Michigan. We don't have one set for Florida yet, but we do have the one set for October. Will be the next one in Michigan.
I'm Tina Jackson, and thank you so much for joining today. If you liked today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. For the full-length version, click on the link to the side. And don't forget that you are a beautiful creation in Christ Jesus.